Hey, what's up? Do you travel a lot? If so, then you need action camera. However, it is better to have a gimbal for action camera for smooth video recording. Actually, you don't need to buy two devices, because you can use FIMI Palm. It looks like a small gimbal, but it has camera, touch screen, built-in battery, etc. Is it really a good device for shooting travel videos? Let's find out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The main feature of FIMI Palm is compact size and lightweight. Nobody wants to bring a large gimbal and action camera with them in travel, so FIMI Palm is a good option. The dimensions are only 30.5 by 22.7 by 127 mm and the weight is 120 grams. This is 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer, and you can see that the video footage is really smooth. By the way, FIMI Palm has a 1.22-inch touchscreen. It has a good brightness of 600 nits, so you can see the image on the screen very well. 5-way joystick allows to control the gimbal and camera. On the back there is a 1/4 inch standard thread, so you can use different accessories, for example, tripod. FIMI Palm has USB Type-C port for fast charging. Talking about charging, I should say about battery. It has a capacity of 1000 mAh. The manufacturer promises 240 minutes of battery life. That's very good. Okay, it's time to talk about camera. FIMI Palm is equipped with 12 megapixels sensor. The maximum video resolution is 4K at 30 fps. By the way, FIMI Palm has built-in microphone, but also you can use 3.5mm audio jack to connect external mic. Let's go back to the camera. One of the main features of a FIMI Palm is ultra-wide-angle mode. It has a 138 degrees field of view. You can see the video with comparison of a wide-angle mode on OSMO Pocket and FIMI Palm. The difference is significant. Do you agree? As for shooting modes, there are many of them, such as panorama, timelapse, motionlapse, hyperlapse, 8x slow motion, and 3x zoom. I forgot to say about gimbal modes. FIMI Palm has FPV mode, follow mode, pitch lock mode, and full lock mode. Also, there is smart tracking function. FIMI Palm has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect it to smartphone. The app on the mobile device provides many templates, effects, background music, etc. You can create your travel video in the app on your phone. So FIMI Palm is a very useful device for people who travel a lot or just want to go on their first trip. Right now you can buy FIMI Palm for only $150. It is a really good deal, because DJI OSMO Pocket is $300. What do you think? Would you buy FIMI Palm? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.